What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Dijs University, and in this video we have another important question from the Facebook group, and it's: are Bing ads better than Google ads if you're just starting out?
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
So we're going to have a look at what are the pros and cons from Bing ads compared to Google ads, so you can make your decision where to start. This question was given to me by I will make friend check of it, I hope I pronounced it correctly, directly from the Facebook group. So in the Facebook group I made a post saying, do you have any questions about affiliate marketing? And friend check dropped this good question, because obviously when it comes to search, because they're both search, there is always a direct correlation between the two. There are several search engines, but there are some big characteristic differences between the two, right? Obviously, Google, the search giant, has a very big reach, a lot of activity, but also a lot more rules. So these platforms are both search. Bing is a search engine. I don't even know, I think it's from Microsoft. I'm not really sure, but I think it comes standard and all people use it. And then the Google, obviously everybody uses Google. I use Google, you probably use Google. I even use Google Chrome browser. I think Internet Explorer comes with Bing, I'm not really sure. But it's basically, I would say the age group is mainly like 45, 50 plus kind of thing on Bing. I'm guessing, right? I don't really use Bing that much. But the thing is, Bing has a lot less compliance. So obviously Google is even, I would say, more strict than Facebook. They're crazy strict with what you can do. They have a lot of rules, they have a lot of business, they have a tremendous amount of reach, especially now YouTube is also in Google Ads. But I think we're just talking about Google Adwords, which is now called Google Ads, which is basically the search listing as ads, right, at the top. So his question is, what is better for beginners? So what you have to consider is that Bing has a lot less traffic. Like a lot, probably 99.9 times less percentage than Google, right? Google has a tremendous amount of traffic. So I'm gonna stick it on this screen and you have to understand this while I talk. Do you want to go for the low-hanging fruit or do you want the entire tree, right? So the thing is like this. With Bing, I would say you can pick up it depends on the vertical, right? But let's say you're doing Nutra, you're doing make money online. I see a lot of these email marketers pick up cheap leads in Bing, like leads, email captures from like 2 to 10 cents. I was like 2 times 10 is 20, no. 2 to 10 cents per lead, extremely cheap, especially if you can monetize it with email marketing. However, you only might get 5 opt-ins a day, right? When you go straight sale, there's quite a bit of competition on the Bing ads because there's almost no compliance. So you can run Nutra, you can run some make money online stuff. Even if it gets disapproved, there's a little bit of tweaks you can do to get it approved after all. So basically with Bing, because there is so little traffic, what this means at the end of the day is that it's not scalable, right? So I would say maybe you make $100 a day. I've seen some guys doing $500 a day profit. I mean, that's good. That's good, but for me it's nothing, right? It's useless to spend my time on Bing. If I make $500 a day, I can do that an hour when I'm on native with one campaign, right? So it doesn't make sense for me to run that. On Google, however, you have to deal with the compliance, which is the biggest thing. A lot of offers you can't run. With affiliate offers, you need to use the bridge. The full bridge page needs to be compliant, but there's a tremendous amount of opportunity there. So basically going back, there's a question of two things. How much traffic do you want to have? And what is the goal, right? If the goal is $100 a day profit, go for Bing. It's easy, it's quick. If you have experience with search and you want to take it to the next level, just stick with Google, because Google is what's going to make it a business and Bing is just going to replace your job, right? Bing is great for tier 2 and tier 3 guys. So if you are from tier 2 or tier 3, you don't have that much money to invest, you still want to do a business, go with Bing for sure. Because $100 a day from somebody who lives in a tier 1 country is $3,000 a month profit, and it's just the basic living, right? But somebody from, let's say, Pakistan who earns $3,000 a month, I think that's a good salary, right? Very good salary. So it's all relative, right? And obviously, because there's so little competition, I would say, compared to platforms like Google and Facebook on the affiliate marketing space, because there's a lot of ads on Bing, but not that many affiliate marketers, I would say, in general. Because, like I said, for me, For anybody I know who lives in a tier 1 country, it's not worth the effort for the money it can bring because it's not scalable. I mean, $100 a day is good, $500 a day is good. But if I put that same effort in Google, I can bring it further. I can do 10,000 a day, right? Because there's so much more traffic. Also more competition, of course. So low budget, tier 2 and tier 3 countries. What else? Inexperienced, go with Bing. If you want big money, if you have some experience, if you are from a tier 1 country, if you can deal with the compliance, then go with Google. This is what I think would be the best advice in this scenario. I'm not a big search guy though. There's a little disclaimer. I don't run search that often. We run some search from our own products, so I know how Google Ads work, I know how Bing Ads work, I know how the search engines navigate. However, obviously my expertise is somewhere else. Still with paid traffic, but not necessarily on Google or Bing. So if you have any questions or recommendations perhaps, drop them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to have a look. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.